Hey guys, King of BO2, and we just found something you would not see before. So wait, right there, zoom in on it, zoom in. There's a little baby bird right there. I feel so bad. It's like its leg is snapped and everything. We freed it on this fence over here, and it's right there. You guys can't see it, but I'm telling you, there's something there. You can see it a little. I know. I could tell. See? You can see something. See it? Focus. Yeah. Still breathing. Show you where we got it from. His leg is completely snapped. We got it from this fence over here. Yeah. We got help from this guy to save it. And it's pretty damaged. So guys, 1 like equals 1 prayer for this bird. Hope it'll live. This is my experience of this bird. Tell me in the comments what you guys think. Do you think it's gonna live or no? Alright. See ya guys. Back next time.